What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. With constrictors in the building again. Real quick video. Banana clutch all came out of the egg, so we're gonna get them cleaned up and put away. Wait for their first shed. So we'll jump into that right away. I also got to shoot the video for the pastel to pastel calico clutch because they all shed out except one or two maybe. But I'm gonna shoot that right after this, so that one will be posted in a couple of days. So if you ain't following me or subscribe to me or hitting the notification bell, make sure you do that, man, so you can catch that video too when it come out, because it's a pretty nice looking clutch, if I do say so myself. Jump into it, but you know what time it is, man. Hit that intro. All right, let's get into it. These bananas. 4 nice, healthy looking bananas. Let me make sure I get them on camera. Got some water here. Check the old temp. 95, so we got a couple minutes. I'm gonna pause y'all real quick and come back when that water get a little bit better. All right, a couple minutes then passed. And we right at about 93, so it's probably less hot than that, to be honest. All right. All right, everybody done had enough time. I don't want to let them sit in there too long and get cold. So this tub right here just came out of the incubator, and I just got some damp paper towel in there, so it's already, you know, nice and warm. All right, back to what we're doing. We're gonna start out with this one, because I'm honestly hoping that out of all of them, this one's the one that ends up being a girl. I'm just trying to rub a little for make your light off right now. As you know, ball pythons are pretty head shy, so I'm trying to be very, very gentle. I don't think I'm gonna get too much more off. Take a look at the paradoxon on this baby. It's not a whole lot, but it's pretty cool, eh? A little bit more back here. I think there's just a little bit more back. Oh, maybe not. Just a little on the other side too. I can show you. Pretty cool. Please be a girl. Well, I don't know. She look dark, but I don't know. It might be a boy. I'll check again. Another beautiful banana. Banana by itself is a very nice gene. Got. Everybody wanna run away today. Definitely a boy. Number 3. This one got more of a high white look on the sides. It's pretty cool. Another boy. Could this be the elusive female banana that I've been waiting for? This one also kind of has a high white look to it too.
Not as drastic as that first one. Still pretty cool. Moment of truth. Nope. Another boy. Let me check this paradox one again. Definitely a boy. So they all males, but he's staying here. That's so cool. It's almost like a normal pattern trying to sneak in. Pretty dope. And if you watch the last video, you'll know I got 4 for 4, but they all boys. But I got a paradox, so you know, gotta take the good with the bad, man.
All right, there we have it, man. 4 eggs, 4 bananas, 4 boys. Like I said in the intro, I'm gonna shoot this video real quick on the pastel calico to calico clutch. So make sure y'all check that out. That should be dropping Tuesday, if not tomorrow. Tomorrow, Labor Day, I still gotta work, but if I can't get it tomorrow, it'll be dropped on Tuesday. So that being said, man, don't forget to do all the things. Hit the buttons, like, share, subscribe, ring the bell. Don't forget about the 500 sub giveaway we got going on for this Inchy Mojave female that's getting pretty big. She had 1,000 grams, I believe, 900 and something. So I'll do an update video on her too pretty soon once I get a little closer to 500, if I get a little closer to 500. So appreciate all the love, man, all the support. Till next time, y'all be easy. Peace.